Welcome to Science 5. Today we will talking about metamorphosis, the two types of metamorphosis and their differences. I will also be giving examples. Before we continue further, let us know what is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis refers to the way that certain organisms develop, grow, and change form. Metamorphosis means change. There are insects that goes through big change, while some of them goes to a small change. Metamorphosis is the biological process to which an organism transforms from one form to another. It involves a series of physical and structural changes that enable the organism to adapt new environments and lifestyles. This process can be seen in insects, amphibians, and some fish. For example, a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly is a type of metamorphosis. Now, let's talk about incomplete metamorphosis. Incomplete metamorphosis, also known as hemimetabolous metamorphosis. It involves three different stages: egg, nymph or naiad, and adult. The changes between these stages are gradual and happen through a series of molts. Now let's discuss the stages of incomplete metamorphosis. Let's have our first stage, egg. Insects that have undergone incomplete metamorphosis lay eggs. This is the first stage of life. These eggs later hatch into nymphs or naiad. Second stage, nymph. After hatching from the egg, the insect enters the nymph stage. But if the insect lives in the water, we call it naiad. Nymphs look like adults but lack certain characteristics, such as wings or reproductive organs. During this stage, the nymph sheds its skin 5 to 6 times to grow into an adult. This process is known as molding. With each molt, the nymph gradually resembles the adult form closely. To survive, nymph starts to eat succulent and succulent foliage just after hatching from the egg. This stage of the life cycle lasts about 5 to 6 weeks until it matures into adult. Third stage, adults. This is the third and final stage of the life cycle of a fully developed adult insect. The adult insect typically possesses all the features of its species, including wings and reproductive organs. At this stage, it becomes capable of reproduction. Insects like grasshoppers, crickets, dragonflies, and cockroaches are examples of those that undergo incomplete metamorphosis.